Okay, guys. So I don't do a lot of unboxing videos, but I figured if anybody doesn't have this one, I'm from Canada, so it took a long time to actually get this because FameTek, which I really like their little company, has got some cool Star Trek stuff, but I have to wait until it's available on Amazon because they don't ship to Canada. So I was really excited to get this the other day, and it was available, and it was only $30 Canadian, so it's not expensive, free delivery. This is the Star Trek Next Generation LCARS control panel, 10,000 megahertz power bank. See here, the boxing is nice, came on time, no damage to it at all. And it was released in 2020, I think, was when this one came out last year. I saw it, so a relatively new product. Endorsed by Star Trek, which is awesome. See some of the model information, cell capacity. It's got, looks like it's got a 2.1 amp, and I thought it said it was 1 amp. Yeah, it says Outback 1, so we'll see what the instructions say inside. But it looks nice and clean. Try for the one hand here. Just kind of try to do a quick unboxing. Really neat packaging. It's got USB cable. It's got USB 2. I wasn't sure if it was going to be a USB 3 or not. But it looks nice and clean. It's actually got raised surfaces on it, so not only is it it's on there. We'll see how it holds up. Obviously, I'm going to be careful with it, but it's raised, so it's got a nice texture to it. It is very light. It's not large, as you can see. It's got weight to it, but really neat, beautiful colors. There's no, put it the right way up here. Yeah, really pretty. And like I said, you can see almost, I don't know if you can see it, but as I say, it's got a really nice texture. It doesn't feel cheap at all. And the back I really like too. It's got USS Enterprise. Some more of the specifics on the back here. But I love it. I think it's really neat. And let's see what we got here. Okay, obviously it's got the lighting. We've got a 1 star on one side, 2 on the other. So I'm assuming that's a 1 amp and a 2 amp for charging your product. And let's take a look. All right. Sorry about this. I normally do something else. And yeah, you can see the USB outlets 1, micro, up at 1. All right, apparently they're both 2 amps. All right, that's kind of neat. I wasn't sure. I couldn't understand why one would be, why one would be 1 and one would be 2. As you can see, charging time about 7 hours. For the initial, of course. We give it to charge for 8 hours until fully charged. And that's it. There you go. So, kind of neat. Not really, I mean, it's a power bank, so there's really not much to, not really much to say about it. But there you go. Even got a little battery pack. Just some of the, but really neat. Great little company. Just like my other one that I have, my QA charger, which is wireless, Q power. I wanted something a little more, and I had a power bank, and I wanted something that was kind of neat that I could take with me as well. Other than that one, just as a backup, and I love it. And as I said, it's $30 Canadian on Amazon, so inexpensive and very nice quality, like everything else that FameTek has made over the years. And I hope you like it. Sorry, like I said, for a little bit of choppy the video, but I just got this in, and if there's anybody who's a Star Trek geek like myself, and in Canada, you can now get these on Amazon before they sell out and get their next stuff, because they're probably going to sell pretty fast. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and stay geeky and nerdy at all times.